How to use a magic eraser. Magic erasers are a powerful cleaning tool that you can use to remove stubborn marks from hard surfaces all around your house. Since its launch in 2003, Mr. Clean Magic Erasers have become a must-have cleaning tool around the house. The Mr. Clean Magic Eraser and other brands are made of melamine foam that, when activated with water, becomes an abrasive cleaner to remove dirt, soap scum, and stuck-on grime. With each use, the sponge wears down as the melamine particles loosen the soil by breaking away from the sponge. This is similar to the way sandpaper loses its effectiveness after several uses. Check out this list of effective ways to use a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser around your home. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to getting the basics down and cleaning items around the house. Now let's get started. Things you should know. 1. Magic erasers can clean appliances, shoes, walls, dirty bathrooms, and paint or nail polish stains. 2. Test out the magic eraser on a small spot to ensure it won't damage any surfaces. 3. Wet the magic eraser with a little water and scrub down any dirty surfaces you want to tackle with it. Method 1. Getting the basics down. Number 1. Perform a spot test before you use the magic eraser on a surface. The sandpaper-like surface of a magic eraser can damage the finish on some surfaces, like varnished wood or glossy paint. Wet the magic eraser, then test it on a small spot before you start your project to make sure it won't leave any damage. Number 2. Wet the magic eraser when you're ready to use it. Magic erasers can actually be used dry, but adding a little water to the sponge will help it absorb dirt more easily, much like wetting a towel before wiping down counters. After you wet the eraser, squeeze out any excess water, just like you would with a regular sponge. Number 3. Wipe down the surface you want to clean. For most dirt and grime, you'll see a noticeable difference just by wiping the sponge across the surface. However, you might have to scrub stubborn stains like rust or mildew. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Cleaning items around the house. Number 1. Use a magic eraser to make shoes look like new. It can be hard to remove scuff marks and other stains from shoes, but a magic eraser can remove signs of wear from your favorite sneakers. Gently buff materials like suede with the sponge, then wipe down the rubber around the soles. Number 2. Clean your refrigerator inside and out with a magic eraser. Magic erasers are great at removing the grimy fingerprints that build up on the outside of your fridge, as well as food spills, mildew, and other stains that can accumulate over time. Try using a small piece of magic eraser on the gasket around your refrigerator door to see a surprising difference. Number 3. Remove paint or nail polish stains once they've dried. Dried paint and nail polish can be really stubborn, but a little scrubbing with a magic eraser will usually remove them completely. This is especially effective for paint that has dripped on hard floors and hinges. A magic eraser is a great way to remove nail polish stains from surfaces that might be discolored by nail polish remover, like carpet or linoleum. Number 4. Clean up wall art left by kids around the house. If your little artists have drawn with crayons or markers all over your walls, use a magic eraser to wipe them away. Just remember to do a spot test, since the sponge may dull the glossy finish on some paints. Magic erasers can even remove permanent marker stains. Just scrub a little extra until it's gone. Number 5. Scrub away dried-on food from your stove or microwave. Once food splatters have dried on your stovetop or inside your microwave, they can seem impossible to clean, but if you scrub them with a magic eraser, your cooking surfaces will seem like new again. Use a magic eraser to clean the drip trays under your burners to get your stovetop looking like new again. Number 6. Remove mildew, mineral buildup, and soap scum from your bathroom. Whether you're tackling a stubborn ring around the toilet or a residue you can't seem to clean from your shower walls, using a magic eraser in the bathroom will make everything sparkling clean, without the harsh chemicals used in most other cleaning products. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Cut the magic eraser into smaller squares if you want it to last longer. As you clean with a magic eraser, it disintegrates, much like a pencil eraser. Using a smaller piece will give you the same cleaning power, but it will keep the whole eraser from wearing down. Plus, it is useful when cleaning a tiny portion of walls, showers, microwaves, etc. 2. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser and other melamine sponges work best on smooth surfaces, so seek alternate cleaning options for rough, bumpy surfaces. 3. Always wet your Mr. Clean Magic Eraser with water first. It won't work as well dry. 4. You can purchase basic melamine sponges that will work almost as well as a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, though the brand name product does have a little bit of cleaner inside. 5. Never use a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser on your car, which can cause scratches. Warnings. 1. Even though magic erasers are non-toxic, they can still cause abrasions on the skin, and can still cause suffocation in toddlers and pets. Keep them out of reach of children. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.